Hello guys! My name is the Zion Franz. This is my mother. I think she's mad. Are you mad?
Of course not.
She's not mad. Okay, bye. Please click subscribe. Hey mom, what you doing? Mama,
Yeah,
what you doing?
putting some essentials on my face.
What's essentials?
Toner.
She's putting I don't know. Donor?
Toner.
Does it make your skin like brighter?
Yeah, I think so.
She wants a bright face, guys. Can you look at the camera? Why you do that face?
Stop it.
Okay. Bye, guys. Hey, Ma.
Yeah,
What you doing?
something.
Why you always do so much work?
It's my work. I need to.
Ooh. You have to rest, Ma.
Never mind. The rest later.
No rest now.
Sleep.
I wanna vlog you.
No need to, you know. You have to sleep now.
I vlog you.
Sleep! Enough! Enough.
It's like she never gets tired.
That's Superman.
What?
Superman.
Yes, Supermom.
Yeah. Sleep.
Okay.
Do not sleep.
What?
It's late. You need to sleep.
Wait, okay. See you guys.
We're still awake.
Cause you're still awake.
Hintay pa ko eh. Tulog na nga kami. Pupuyat na din siya. Okay, see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.